In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import PDF bank statement to Xero. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your Xero organization and that you have your bank statement file ready on your computer. It helps to know which bank account in Xero you'll be importing into and the date range of the statement so everything lines up neatly. First, go to the Xero homepage. Once you're in, you'll see the main navigation running across the top. From here, click on Accounting. This is where Xero keeps all your core financial tools, including your bank accounts, reports, and reconciliation features. Next, select Bank Accounts. This opens a list of all the bank and credit card accounts you've set up in Xero. It's worth taking a moment here to confirm the account names and currencies so you choose the right place for your import. Importing into the correct account ensures the transactions land where you expect them. Now, find and click on your business bank account. This takes you to that account's transactions page. You should see your running balance, any unreconciled lines, and options to manage the account. If you're working across multiple accounts, double-check the last 4 digits or the nickname you've used in Xero to avoid mixing up accounts. In the account view, look for the Manage Account menu. It's usually near the top right of the page. Click it to reveal a set of actions you can take on this bank account. These options let you bring in transactions, set up feeds, or export data if needed. From that menu, choose Import a Statement. This opens the Statement Import screen. Here's where you'll upload your file. Depending on your bank and region, Xero often prefers formats like CSV, OFX, or QIF. If your statement is a PDF, some banks provide a data export alongside the PDF, or Xero may accept the PDF if supported in your area. If the system doesn't accept the file, grab the downloadable data format from your online banking instead, or use a reputable converter to create a CSV that matches Xero's requirements. When the file is selected, review the date range and look out for any warnings about duplicates. It's a good practice to import statements in chronological order and to avoid overlapping periods to keep your ledger clean. Once the import is complete, you'll see the new transactions ready on the bank account page, where you can continue with your usual review and matching process. Keep your original file saved for your records and make sure the currency and totals look right before you move on. That's it. Your statement is now in Xero.